Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but today we're making a simple but tasty treat, Escovitch fish. So guys, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be first to our new content. So guys, as usual, I did a pre-prep, so I have everything ready. I cleaned my fish and it's ready for seasoning. I went ahead and cut up my onions, my carrots and scotch bonnet pepper to make my Escovitch sauce. So we're ready to go. So I went ahead and I sliced my fish on both sides just to ensure that the seasoning soaks properly. So I went ahead and seasoned this with some fish seasoning and all-purpose, but you can use whatever you like based on where you are. So I went ahead and put the oil to eat. Remember, you have to ensure that the oil is hot to fry your fish. So I add a little bit of garlic. I sprinkle a little bit of flour in the oil as well, right? So remember, as I said, you have to ensure that the oil is fully hot before you add your fish. Right, so I'm going ahead to add the fish, and you know me, I'm going to ensure that these are fried golden brown. Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. So if you like our content, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Right, so my fish are now frying. As I said, I'm going to ensure that these are golden brown. And just a point of note, remember, as I usually say, fish does not take long to fry. So you're not going to have these frying for unduly long. Right, once it catches color, you go ahead and you turn the fish on the other side, and you fry the fish for about 5 to 6 minutes. 10 minutes the most, depending, right? But once the oil is fully hot, this should be fried in 5 to 6 minutes. Great. So now that we got our fish fried, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make the Escovitch sauce, right? So the Escovitch sauce is pretty simple. So we start by adding some vinegar to the pot, right? And we're gonna let that come to a boil. Once the vinegar comes to a boil, then we're gonna add our onions, our carrots, and our scotch bonnet pepper. Right? And we're gonna have these sauteed in the vinegar. Right? So you're gonna, once the vinegar starts to boil, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add your onions and carrots and scotch bonnet pepper, and you're gonna let these saute for about 5 to 6 minutes. I added a little bit of salt to this, right, just for a little bit of flavor. I added a little bit of sugar, that's for my taste, just a little bit, right? But as I said, you can do it the way you want it, but you can just add salt only, right? So once you have the Escovitch sauce sauteed for about 6 minutes, then you're just gonna go ahead and you're gonna go ahead and add that to your fish. I can tell you this is gonna taste very lovely. It is very nice, and you can have these kept for a while, right, because of the sauce. Right guys, this looks lovely. Remember to give the video a like and remember to subscribe. And guys, thank you for watching.